If Venice is known as the city of love, then I can definitely say I fell in love with it on my very first visit. Venice is truly one of a kind, a city built on over 100 small islands in a lagoon of the Adriatic Sea. With no roads, only canals, it offers a dreamlike setting where Renaissance and Gothic palaces line the waterways. Is its intricate network of canals, acting as the city's lifeline. They serve as both roads and passageways. Transporting people and goods, exploring by gondola is a must. But for an intimate experience, a private ride is the way to go. Often called the floating city or Serenissima, Venice is arguably one of Italy's most picturesque destinations. With its winding canals, striking architectural and enchanting bridges, it's no wonder photographers find endless inspiration here. As a photographer, Venice is a visual treasure trove. Its unique geography and rich history have created some of the most magnificent compositions imaginable. I visited multiple times, yet each trip presents new subjects and perspectives. Sunrise and sunsets are my favorite time to shoot. The light is magical and the city momentarily quiets before the streets fill with tourists. Shooting long exposures here is particularly challenging. With constant traffic on the water, timing is crucial. Exposures must be carefully planned between passing boats to achieve the desired stillness and clarity. The heart of the city, Piazza San Marco, is home to St. Mark Basilica, which is styled with Byzantine mosaics and open to fresh angles and unnoticed elements. Being able to navigate swiftly between this multitude of islands offers a variety of perspectives that fuel creativity. Some islands are further away and showcase Behind their visual appeal, some islands serve entirely different purposes. One, in particular, is dedicated to fishing, supplying many of Venice's restaurants and markets. Discovering this part of the lagoon for the first time was a truly unexpected and delightful surprise. This year, I returned, unaware that I was about to witness something extraordinary. That morning, a dense fog rolled in, so thick that boats had to navigate using radar, with visibility reduced to just a few meters. It was a surreal experience, unlike anything I had ever encountered in Venice. On top of that, the water was incredibly still throughout the week. With an unusually high tide, these conditions were perfect for long exposure photography, allowing me to capture sharp reflections on the water, adding depth and dreamlike serenity to my images. The rustic fishing huts, built from recycled wood poles and metal, suddenly took on a new elegance, appearing almost poetic in the misty landscape. In 2019, a devastating tornado wiped out most of the fishing huts. Some have been rebuilt over time. This highlights the importance of photography in capturing moments before they disappear, preserving memories of what once was. And then, the ultimate surprise. A boat wreck resting on a small exposed sand dune. The water gently lapped around its base, making it stand out beautifully in the vast expanse of sea. Even after the fog lifted later that day, the condition remained perfect for capturing more of these beautiful minimalist compositions. Venice never ceased to amaze me. Each visit is a new chapter, a new opportunity to see, feel, and create. more in the future. So if you guys are interested to come along, just contact me directly and I can give you information about how I run them. It could be group workshop, it could be individual one-to-one workshop, depending on what you are after. Tends to be like a 4 days workshop most of the time, but if you want any specific one, I can tailor one for you, so contact me.